Yep. Black Girl Stocks official merch is now live, so you can either scroll down and click underneath this video, or you can go over to teesprings.com. We have t-shirts, different colors, different sizes, crew necks, sweatshirts, get rich, stay rich, everything positive. You already know how we do. So go ahead, check out Black Girl Stocks official merch.
Foxtail from the D.
Okay, hello? Okay, there we go. My bad. All right. Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Foxtail Digital coming to you again with Black Girl Stocks, and this is our Sunday live chat. You already know how we do it. So I'm going to let just a few people come into the room. At the same time, I'm putting the link up on social media, so just give me just a couple seconds too. I hope you guys are having a very fun and productive Sunday. Hope you had a good weekend. I certainly did. Okay, so I got Twitter, Facebook, and Insta, so we're good. All right, so what's up, everybody? Who do we have in here? The Book of Slay. Yes, I like that. What's up, Franklin, Glenn, Beth? What's up, Beth? Yeah. Hypocentric was popping. First of all, I just want to say thank you guys so much for being here today at our live Sunday live chat. Make sure you click that thumbs up button for me. But the video we just put out on Friday about how to make $100 a day trading options, thank you guys so much for all of the love and support on that video. That's the most views I've ever had in one day. Before we hit like 10,000 views in under 24 hours. So you guys are going crazy with that. We're about to hit 100,000 subscribers. So just thank you so much for all your blessings. What's up, Rosie? 135 Chris, Elizabeth. Okay, so we have two Beths in the room. What's up, Nikki? I finally signed up to TD Ameritrade Bet, so hopefully you're doing some good paper trading with options in there. What's up, Parrish? Logan, Jaden, okay. All right, so you guys already know how we do it. This is just our Sunday live chat, and you know, this is pretty much for you guys. I do this for you, so I just need you to put the ticker symbol. Hold on, let me switch this up. All right, so you see how we have it set up here. Right below me, I have stock and the ticker symbol. So you guys in the chat, put the ticker symbol that you want me to look at the chart, so we can kind of go over it together. Let me know if you're trying to day trade it, swing trade it, do options, and then why. So do they have an earnings report coming up? You know, do they have a merger? What's going on? So what am I doing? Okay, so we're already over here. All right, I was just looking at Facebook. So let me see, I can kind of barely see this thing right here. What's up, Terry? Welcome to the channel. Thank you so much. I watched that video with my 8-year-old twins. Oh, thank you so much. I'm so glad I don't have profanity in my videos, because literally my mom was saying she was with her friend and they were like, oh, we were watching Shayla's video. I'm just like, oh, I'm so happy I don't cuss in my videos, honey. And if I do have a little slip, you know, I kind of bleep it out, honey. You already knew we have to have class. Okay, so the first one, this is from Max. What's up, Max? And this is NVDA. Did I talk about that in the top 3? I think that was last week. Also, you guys, right after, well, maybe not right after, it's still rendering out, but after this live, I'll have my top 3 option plays for this upcoming week. So that's going to be coming out after that. After this live, hold on. Okay, so let me change this, and it's NVDA. Nah, hold on. NVDA, bet, and let's go over here. Yep. Okay, so this definitely, I think this is one of the ones I went. Oh no, I was kind of previewing it. Okay, so I remember this. All right, so yeah, this stock definitely has been in an uptrend, and what was this, last Friday? It just had that huge kind of pop up. So I don't know if you were trying to day trade this or swing trade it going into next week. I would really just kind of see how it plays out, because like I said, we're already overall in an uptrend, but you know that trend line, sometimes that can play a role kind of like as a resistance. And then also, you know, after you hit a high like that, you might have somewhat of a pullback. Dang it, hold on. So let's zoom in just a little bit on that. All right, so yeah, all of them always look the same going into after hours. It's gonna be kind of tight right there. So I would really wait for some type of a breakout, because like you'll see right here, we're literally at the top of, you know, kind of like a zone here at this 208. So I would wait to see it break above that, maybe 209 as an entry point. And then also looking at this MACD, I would kind of wait for something to go on there, because it's kind of consolidated right there. It's still above the center line, so it is still giving bullish momentum. And then the RSI, what is this? 54. The RSI is pretty good, so you know, hey, it can kind of do its thing, you know, and shoot up too. So I would really just kind of wait and see what happens going into market open on Monday. So yeah, but that's pretty much that on that, just looking at the stock chart. But it looks, I mean, it looks pretty good. All right. So thank you for that. What's up, King Damon? Moxie, Miss Blackfoot Barber, what's up? Okay, bet. So this is from Nikisha, and this is Pfizer option calls. FDA approved. God, dog, this is going to be cute. Hold on. What happened to it? Okay, let me change this. And let's go over here. Okay, so Nikesha said that they just had FDA approval. So yeah, I think I talked about, oh, this is the one we talked about in the video on Friday. So yeah, like I said, this one is clearly giving an uptrend. And like you said, it did just have the FDA approval. And then also, I don't want to say the word, but with these COVID vaccines, you know, they're talking about boosters and all this other stuff. Yeah, it's probably going to continue going up. All the pharmaceutical stocks have kind of been up. And then look at the MACD indicator. It has a clear, you know, kind of like a clear little trend here. And it's really looking like we're going to have a bullish crossover. The RSI indicator looks like it's ready to rip too. So going into next week, let's just move in just a little bit closer. I really like to zoom in, kind of see what's going on. So yeah, this is looking pretty good. Going into next week, you would really want to see it continue in that uptrend that it kind of did during after hours. So just continue going up. It's at 48 right now. So once it starts to hit 40, 49, 50, then yeah, that's pretty much going to be a good bullish play for that one. But I would kind of be a little bit careful. The RSI is, you know, it's a little bit overbought, but you know, when you're in a pretty strong uptrend, then it can stay overbought for a good amount of time. So that's that on that. Okay, let's go to another one. Okay. Okay, FDA approval tomorrow. Okay, bet. Options long term, they just had amazing earnings. Okay, Max, is this the same Max from before? Let's give somebody else a turn. Okay, this is from, we just did that one, Miss Blackfoot. This is from Nikki, and this is fuel cell long-term investment, possibly swing trade. Okay, bet, let's do that one next. FCEL. You guys make sure you click that thumbs up button for your girl. I'm kind of behind on the comments too. Okay, so yeah, this is fuel cell, and we've looked at this one before. It's been in a downtrend for a while, and even when it does have, you know, even when it does have this overbought, oversold shoot up, it's not moving anything more than, what is this, $1 or so. So this is giving me complete downtrend. So if you wanted to do something with that, I would do a put right now, but I'm not really seeing too much with this. Like I said, it's been oversold for a good amount of time, and it's just giving bearish signals. So that's all I have to say with that. Fuel cell, I remember my bae, my bae lost some money with that. So, it is what it is. What's up, Sharonda? Hey, girl. Okay. Beth, I'm going to wait on yours. You guys kind of give me some times because you already know the stocks that I'm going to talk about for our top 3 option plays. So Beth, wait for this video. What's up, Jeannie? You literally leave the same cute emoji in every comment. I appreciate the consistency. Okay. It hasn't been approved. Yeah, I see that. Thank you, Mark. It hasn't been approved yet. Coco Chanel. We already talked about Coco Chanel. I mean, we already talked about Pfizer, Coco. Can you look up Walmart? Bet. I have. Okay, so I don't know if you guys saw. I'm pretty sure you guys did. It had a lot of views. But the video I was talking about that I did about day trading, making $100 a day, we were talking. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Okay, I'm sorry. But yeah, I have a Walmart option call. Way out of the money. It's like $160 strike price, honey. It was really cheap. And it doesn't expire until January 2022. Honey, it's already made 60% profit, and I'm just loving that. So that was a really cute play. Now this one is really nice because it is clearly trading between a nice little zone right here. Look at how it's setting itself up. So first of all, the MACD, boom. Now we did have, I remember this too, because my money was kind of drying up. We did have a little bit of a drop right here after it hit this resistance right up here at about 101, and it's kind of dropped back. It dropped back down to this support around 90, but now it's on its way back up. You already see these bullish candlesticks, and we haven't even had a full crossover with the MACD. So this is great. Oh my God, look at this. And then look at this. Okay, I have a buy signal right here on the RSI indicator. So I'm going to talk about that in tonight's video that's uploaded too. But basically, when you see this green arrow here, that just means that the RSI indicator went below this oversold at 40, and then it popped back up above that. So that's a great bullish indicator also. So we'll see what happens. And then another thing, you can kind of tell when you're in a zone when the 50-day moving average is just kind of trading in between the stock price. So it's just right in between there. So it's just consistent. So yeah, definitely short-term bullish on that. So thank you for that. Oh, dang it. I didn't pin that. Sorry. Shoot. Who was that who even asked for Walmart? Oh, okay, that was Zen. Okay, I'll fix that in the playback. Sorry, you guys. Okay, so yeah, thank you for that, Zen J. All right, so let's do the next one. This is from Mark Hale, and this is a long-term play for CRSA, okay? So while I'm doing that, this this is from Ollie. Ollie says, thanks for everything, sweetheart. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Okay, CRSR. Oops. I like that cute little sound. It's cute. Long-term play. Well, I mean, right now, oops. Right now, as you can see, it is definitely giving downtrend. It's trading below the white 50-day moving average. So this is a continuation of a downtrend. And then you can see that it's still trading below our center line on the MACD indicator, downtrend. And then again, the RSI has been oversold for a while, downtrend, okay? So, I mean, I don't know what kind of long-term play. I'm not 100% sure what this stock does. Or what's going on with it. What is this earnings? Did they have a good earning report? Let's see. And then they had a bad earnings report. It's not looking good. I'm doing too much. It's not looking good, Mark. So let's just kind of wait and see with this one. Let's just wait and see with this one. And then also, Yeah, it could continue to go. So we'll just kind of wait and see. You did just have a little pop up with this RSI, but like I said, it's still been, oh, and then it dropped a little bit lower. Wait and see with that one, but it's still giving me downtrend. So that's all I can pretty much say, just looking at that short term. Okay, next. You're welcome, Nikki. You did a leap on Walmart, bet. Lost so much on fuel cell. I apologize about that. Correct, it is. Okay, can you check out AMD? All right, so we're gonna do AMD next. This is from Gary. Now, if you guys remember, a couple of weeks ago, we did AMD for the top 3 option play. Ooh, God, it is really falling. Yeah, we got into it right before it hit that 122. I mean, it just really fell from that. But it looks like it's kind of, you know, trying to consolidate from that drop, and then, you know, maybe continue upwards, because they had a pretty good earning report, didn't they? Yeah, it was like 20 cents more, so that's cute. You know, just looking at the MACD indicator, it's kind of coasting still below the center line, so it's not giving me too much momentum, but I really want to see a breakout above, what price range would this be? 106. Yeah, it's kind of looking like we're trading in between a kind of zone right here too. Hold on, you guys. Let me zoom in. Yeah. So we really need to see it break above maybe 107, and then that would kind of be an indication that it's trying to continue upwards with some more force. Because right now it's just kind of chilling right now, but it's still moving. So we'll see what happens next week. Now, this is literally just looking at the stock chart. This is not looking at the fundamentals or news, but they said long-term AMD is going to be a really good stock. Isn't this one with the chips and stuff like that? So this is going to be really good. So just keep your eye on it. All right. So that was from Gary. Ray Jean, we just looked at that. Yeah. Beth said lower lows. So Jeffrey, love your work. Thank you, Jeffrey. Hey, Peggy, that was the wrong chart. Oh no, it was. What, when I did Walmart? Hold on. It was. I don't know, you guys. If it was, I apologize. Okay, let's do another one. Jeffrey says potential day trade RF. Let me make sure I have the right one, honey. Sure. Make sure you guys click that thumbs up too, okay? For your girl. Okay, I mean, this is cute. So they just had an earnings report. What was this? Hold on, stop. So they just had a pretty, okay, they had a cute little earning report, 20 cents more than what they thought. Now, even though we did have this little dip here with our price, and it did kind of drop below the center line, it does look like it's trying to do a reversal. And even after that dip from that high of 23, it's kind of slowing down on that, and it's looking like, what do they call it, a cup and handle or whatever? Boop. So it's looking like it's starting to reverse. And then we're having higher highs with that one. So I'm trying to be less directional, but I mean, it's looking like it's trying to reverse back to continue that uptrend, because it's been in an uptrend for a while. It just kind of had some dips there. The RSI is looking like it's ready to go. So yeah, we'll see with that. You said day trade? Oh no, I didn't pin that one. Shoot. RF, who is that? Who asked for RF? Hey Sharon, what's up, girl? Hey Sharon. I can't even find this thing to pin it anymore. Oh girl, I'm just really messing up tonight. That's okay. All right, well, okay, so yeah, and then, I mean, yeah, it's giving uptrend. Let's see if it pops above this 20. So, okay, it's already at 20. Let's see if it continues, because it's looking like it's pretty close, more close to 19. So I want to see it continue up, and then right here it is above the MACD, the MACD center line too. So we'll see what happens. Don't do any moves until it fits your criteria. Oh, it was WAL. Okay, well, that's all right. Well, let's move on from that. Okay, Yolanda, wait. Yolanda, I see you. Wait for our top 3 option plays coming up after this video. Oh, you guys are so good. Okay, this is from Melissa, and this is BRSE. BRSE. Okay. Is this the right one? Is this the right one? BRSE. This is a really penny stock. Yeah, this is the right one. I mean, this is a penny stock, girl. I don't really know. What is it at 0.08? When did it hit 50 cents? This was back in February and it's dropped. I don't know. It might be giving pump and dump. I'm not really sure with these penny stocks. But I mean, the RSI looks like it's trying to pop up, but. And then it's at the kind of trading towards the bottom with the resistance at 0.10 cents. So, I mean, let's see if it pops back up to this 20 cents. But it's really hard to tell with these small stocks like that. Okay. What about DLTR? Oops. Sorry, Jeffrey. Shoot. Could you check out Macy's? Put the ticker symbol, you guys. Please check ANY. I'm very nervous for tomorrow and I invested a lot. Okay, so this is from Shama and this is ANY. Let's see what that is. Any? That's a cool name or cool ticker symbol. Sphere. Okay, so you said you invested some. I mean, it looks okay. It looks like we just had a bullish crossover right here on the MACD indicator, so that looks pretty good. Wait, can I zoom in? Okay, yeah, I can do that. So you see that little crossover right there? That's a pretty good indication that it could continue on this upwards trend. And then the same thing with the RSI indicator. We just had that that buy arrow, so that looks pretty good for that. And then let's zoom in just a little bit closer. Yeah, this is looking pretty similar to a stock that we just looked at. We've had, now it was kind of dipping a little bit, but it's kind of, you know, looking like it's trying to change direction. So I would like to see it hit above 435. So it has maybe about 30 more cents to go, and then it would be, you know, a pretty good indication that it's going to continue upwards. But you know, you kind of see that trend line right there, so it's looking pretty good. Shama, I hope I'm saying your name right. You're welcome, Melissa. Okay. Actually, we just went over PLTR last week, Brittany, so that's not true. Don't spread lies. Okay, this is from Sharonda, and this is HYZN. Make sure you guys click that thumbs up button too. How many likes do we have in here? 100? 200 people in here, 100 likes. It's not adding up that ratio. Come on, you guys. All right, so this is HYZN from Sharonda. Okay, this is cute, but this is the close-ups. Let's zoom out. Oh, wow, that looks good. So, oh, wow, this dropped a lot from 20, and then it barely moved for months. Jeez, and then it just kept dropping. Now, it seems like it's trying to kind of pop back up. you see how the MACD was just trading so far below the center line? That's really, you know, kind of bearish indication there. And then you see that RSI was oversold for so long. Boop, downtrend. It hit that low of 6 and it's trying to bounce back up. Oh, okay, it had an earnings. Maybe that's what it was. So they had a decent, no. Okay, and they also had a bad earnings too, but it still kind of bounced up. So going into next week, it does look like on this one too, we kind of have a crossover with the MACD that happened on Friday. I think overall the entire market closed pretty high last week. So we're kind of seeing that across the board for all the stocks that we're looking at. But yeah, going into next week, I don't know what your expectation is, but it's kind of looking like it's going to continue on this little upwards trend that it's been doing since earnings. So we'll see. And then as far as a price target, if I had one, I would probably say maybe $10. So it looks like it could go a couple of dollars, because that's where it fell from. So we'll kind of see with that. And then we kind of had this, look at this high, what is this high wick here. This was on the 17th. So yeah, that was last week. So yeah, we'll see what happens with that one. And then also, I think I already said that, but the MACD is trading above the center line now. So that's a really good indication of upward movement. So that's just kind of how I look at that. I should have some water in here. My throat it's just getting kind of dry. Thank you, Sharonda. Okay, so the next one, let's do Ford. Okay, this is from Ron Retrobro Jr. Oh, that's a mouthful. Ford. Ooh, okay. Ford is really giving me downtrend right now. So it's giving downtrend since it hit this high of 16. What was this? Back in early June. And it's just been in a downtrend ever since. The MACD has been cool and calmly underneath that center line. RSI has been very much so oversold. And then even when it does kind of hit a high, its high will be at 60. So yeah, it's really giving downtrend right now. But short term, it is on the support area of this downtrend, if that makes sense. So honestly, it could do what it's been doing before. It'll kind of have the short term pop up and then it'll continue down. So we'll just kind of see what happens with that. Same thing with the other ones. The MACD indicator is looking pretty close to a short term bullish overlap or crossover, excuse me, overlap. So we'll see what happens. The RSI is still oversold. It hasn't popped up above our 40 line yet. And then actually, oh, this is for uptrend. So just pretend this low is going to be 30 instead of the 40. So yeah, it is at the oversold area. So we'll see what happens with that. But hopefully, you know, if you were trying to do a short term call or just kind of get in there real quick for $12, it's not too much. You can do that. So for Ford, thank you for that, Ron Retro Bro. All right. Okay, this is from Lashonda. If you take one more pick, can you look at ILMN stock? All right. ILMN. Hold on, you guys. Let me see how far along this render is. Hold on, give me a second. Only halfway? Dang. Okay, this video might not be uploaded until 8. Okay, that's fine. What are we doing? Okay, okay, boom. Let's go over here. My bad, you guys. Ooh, okay, that's fine. So this stock has pretty much been in an uptrend since this earnings, it looks like on April, like late April. So it hit this high of 500. Damn, this is high. So it hit this high of 500. it dropped for a little bit, but it kind of changed directions after the earnings. And then it looks like it had another good earnings, but we had a pretty good, not really, it wasn't too much. It had a little dip from that was kind of a lot, 520 to 450, but it's on its way back up. Overall, it's been in a good uptrend. The RSI, I just see a, kind of like this buy signal on the RSI. So it's kind of popping up. Now, I would kind of wait for a crossover with this MACD indicator also, because you see it's trying to formulate. But yeah, it looks like it could continue upwards with that one. How long have we been on here? 30 minutes. Okay, so I'll probably take 2 more, and then I'm gonna let you guys go, because I know it's Sunday. You ready to meal prep and all the other stuff. Get ready for work, school, and all of that. So let's do a couple more. Okay, so this is from Opal Henricks. I hope I said that right. Beth said Ford has bad PR. Oh my goodness. So KSS. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. This one, okay, so this looks good. So this one, it was in an uptrend for a while, boom, and then it just kind of started to side trend for maybe about a month or so, hit that high of 65, and boom, it started dropping in May. But now it looks like it's kind of hit a turning point, and it's definitely going back into uptrend. And then you can kind of see that same thing with the MACD indicator. You see before, all this time it was trading below the center line and it was in a downtrend, and now it's kind of starting to trade above that. So that's a good indication of that. But you'll kind of see right here, we have been trading in a zone. So we had some resistance up here at 57. So we hit this 57 mark before, back on the 12th, and we just hit it again. So I want to see what happens with this going into next week. Is it going to use that as resistance like it did before and, boop, start to drop, or is it going to break out above that? So that's what we're going to wait for going into next week. And let me kind of zoom in a little bit. Yeah, so you see right there, we would need to see it go upwards to that 58. Continue going up. But if it kind of starts to drop a little bit, and definitely if it dropped below 55, then it's definitely looking like it would kind of be going into a downtrend. So we'll just kind of wait and see what happens. The MACD indicator is looking pretty much the same as everybody else. Ready to rip. So we'll see what happens with that one. Oh my goodness. Larry, I don't have time for that. All right. This is going to be the last one. Okay, this is going to be from the humbled Megan. I can't see his messages anymore. Oh no. Oh, okay, this is the wrong one. Okay, hold on, you guys. Okay, so this is AQST. All right, let's zoom out a little bit. All right, so this is in a downtrend too. So this has been in a pretty good downtrend for a good while. It did just kind of pop above the 50-day moving average. And then also the same thing too, this one just kind of popped above the MACD indicator too, the center line. So this is looking kind of bullish for this one. I would kind of wait to see what happens next week. It's kind of trading in between this zone. But a good high point for this one would be around $4. So if you wanted to, I don't know if you're trying to do a call or something, I would wait to see it hit, actually, maybe 390 to 4. Yeah, I would want to see it hit that before I did anything long term to see if it's going to continue in that short uptrend that is happening right now. And then, like I said, I do like the MACD being above the center line, and then the RSI is it's a little bit low. So we'll kind of see what happens with that. But it's looking like for the RSI, a high has kind of been at 61. So yeah, it could go back up. It has some room to grow with that one. So. All right, you guys, that's gonna be it for today. Who is this person? They keep their things are blocked, but they keep this Larry person. Hold on. Hold on, you guys. Got me doing all this mess on live. Okay. All right, you guys. So that's pretty much going to be it for tonight. And just be on the lookout for this next top 3 option plays. It's going to be really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this live. Make sure you click that thumbs up button. And I'll catch you guys next week. Wait, what? Hold on. Okay, let's look at some more comments. Hold on. When do you use the different time chart, and which one do you use it? I just go in between different charts. So like you saw, we start with a further out chart, and then when you want to get into entry zones, you know, zoom into the 1 week, the 1 day, 15 minute. And then if you're day trading, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15, you just go in between. Hey, Rosie. Well, oh, Anubis, that's a cute name. Hey, Sheba. Deuce TV, okay. And Charles, okay. I like chart. I know that's right. TC, great video. Thank you so much. December 1st, but it's gonna start climbing. Which one are you talking about, Megan? I'm too late. Oh, sorry, Kevin. Dollar bill finally sitting still so I can watch. I know that's right. Thank you for your analysis. Stay safe and have a good week. Thank you so much. Cherry, what's up, Cherry? New sub, you rock. Thank you. Okay, you guys, so we can go ahead. We can wrap this up. Oh, did we get a super chat, or was that a new subscriber? Hey, Kelly. What indicator would you recommend for beginners? I would say the MACD indicator, because I've really been using that one a lot, and the EMA lines. Okay, you guys, also let me know what you think about this. Since I'm gonna talk for a little bit. You missed everything. Who is this, Shubora? Come on. I don't know if you guys watch the show Hot Ones with that hot sauce, but I really want to do a Q&A. I don't know if I want to do it on live or just kind of have you guys ask some questions, but I really want to do some questions about stocks with hot sauce. I think that would be so cute. So what do you guys think about that? Oh, somebody said they hate me. That's so unfortunate. That says more about you than it does me. What do you guys think about hot sauce and stocks? Because I'm pretty interested in that. We're getting really close to 100,000 subscribers, so I think that's going to be really cute. Opal says super. I'm now subscribed. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Fire, do it. Okay, bet. Beth says yes. Charles, okay, so do you guys watch the Hot Ones? Do you guys know the show I'm talking about on YouTube, where they'll go and do the interviews with the hot sauce? And the hot sauces, I'm not doing the small hot. I'm gonna be doing the hottest hot sauces, like that one. I think it's number 8. It's always number 8. The bomb. Oh my gosh. But I can't wait. Somebody said it's gonna be different. Rosie, yes. I put hot sauce on my coolie. What is that? Yinka, okay, bet. All right, and then also, since I have you guys' attention, So on the live, like I said, we're about to hit 100,000 subscribers. So I want to do another giveaway, and I want to do like, I think a $500 giveaway, but I want it to be more interactive, and I want to, you know, touch more people. Pause. I want more people to benefit from it. So I'm thinking about just doing $500 and then just sending out $25 or $50 per person. So I think that would be cool. Somebody said best stock channel. Who was that? Ghost Dog? I'm okay. I really appreciate you guys just rocking with me. Like I said, I've seen a lot of comments saying the videos have gotten a lot better, and I'll go back and watch my old videos, and they definitely used to be just kind of blah. So now we've kind of added a little bit of flair, you know, here and there, got some lights, you know, got some merch. Make sure you guys cop some of the merch. I'm going to have new, ooh, the bomb is the last. I don't know, Jeffrey, wait, who was that? Allison? I don't know about the last dab. I don't know about that one. I don't think that's in there. I don't know about that one. No. I'm interested in this, okay. Hot stocks. Oh, Deuce. That's going to be the name of the episode. Hot stocks. Dang, thank you. Shouts out to Deuce TV. Was that Deuce? Yeah. Hold on, let me write that down. Hot stocks. Bet. Thank you so much for that. Everybody is so creative. I hope I touched you. What is that? Okay, big money. Okay, I've been keeping you guys, I kept you guys for a minute. So excited to catch your live. Thank you, Mabel. We are all learning and earning. She could touch me. Y'all need to stop that. I don't like that. That's gross. I'm not interested in touching none of y'all. Okay, you guys, y'all are acting crazy now. So we're gonna go ahead and we can end this live. All right, so yeah, so be on the lookout for the top 3 option plays tonight. This is going to be a good episode. It's pretty short. It's only like 10 minutes. So, all right, I'm going to catch you guys a little bit later. God bless. Love you so much. Mwah. All right. Boop.